jar of Jennifer's Homemade in Miami, Florida, and we're rolling out our dough. Now we have a Whole Foods right around the corner, so I can go and buy this stuff there too.
You can, and I'm going to be there tomorrow.
Oh, you are?
Giving out samples so everybody can come try it.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay. And now here's the dough that's been resting in the fridge, right, overnight?
Yes, and then I like to bring it up to room temperature because when it's cold, it's hard to roll out.
Okay.
And then I'm going to split this with you, and we can roll it out.
Okay. So you give me half.
Yeah, I'm just going to rip it.
Okay.
I think that's easier.
Okay.
Okay. So here you go.
Okay. So on a floured surface, roll it out.
On a floured surface, yes. I like to throw the flour around. That's what I always tell my daughter, just have fun with it. We kind of make a mess, but, that's half the fun. And for kids, it's such a great thing. You can give them their dough. If you want to make something beautiful, I find, give them their own dough, let them make their own thing,
Of course.
And they bake up really cute, yeah. And then they enjoy eating them even
So
more.
this will take a while because this is very cold, but you get the idea. Roll it out to what thickness?
I like it about 1/8 of an inch thick,
Okay.
but you can do it really any thickness. And actually, I have some over here.
Yeah, and the more this rests, the easier it is to roll out, right?
Right, and I find if you roll a little, rest a little, that kind of helps too. So here it is nice and thin. And then I cut it into strips for what we sell, but this I kind of use like a grown-up graham cracker. You can do them square, make great s'mores.
So I'm going to make these. Oh yes, for my s'mores, because we have a fire pit up in Maine, and we love to make s'mores.
Yum!
Which are graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallows melted over the fire.
Yum!
You can do it in the fireplace too.
Yeah, that's even better. And then you can dip them in chocolate. I mean, there's so many things that you can do.
You guys throw that away? Oh no, you roll it out again.
No, we'll use it again. Yeah, there is no waste. Absolutely.
Okay.
And then, like in the bakery, anything that we have left over, we donate.
Now, do you use a sheeter in the bakery?
We
the machine that rolls this out.
I started out at home, and I would, roll it out until my palms would hurt.
Yes.
But now we have a sheeter. It's a beautiful thing. Yes.
And then...
so then after we put it on the tray, I take a fork and poke holes in it, because if you don't do that, it'll puff up.
Yep, dock it.
Yes, exactly. We have little rollers, actually, docking rollers now. And so then after we do that, I take...
I'll dock these.
Okay.
I like docking.
So nice to have you helping me in the kitchen.
So these are cute. You can make all your own little crackers.
Yeah, absolutely. You can make little men.
Or you can go to the store.
Absolutely.
It's nice to have an option.
Yes. And you know what else? This recipe is great for a pie crust. You could just take these flatbread, chop them up in a food processor, or I like to throw them in a bag and beat on it.
With butter?
With 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter.
Melted butter, yeah.
Yeah, melted butter. Put it in a pie plate. Pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. You've got a great pie crust.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, anytime you'd use like a graham cracker.
Okay, so it's olive oil, and could you use melted butter if you wanted, or?
You probably could, but I'm all about the extra virgin olive oil. I think it's a little healthier.
And so you make a mix of 1/4 cup of wonderful ground cinnamon and 1 cup of sugar.
Yes.
This is the same topping you put on your cinnamon toast, right?
Exactly.
As a child.
Exactly.
I still make cinnamon toast. I love cinnamon toast. So.
Yeah, and my brother, it's still his favorite flavor, I think. And then I just sprinkle it on pretty generously, and that's it. And we pop it in the oven for 250 degrees for 30 minutes, and that's it. And it comes out like this.
Oh my gosh. Well, we have a piece for everyone in the audience to taste. You're bringing it out? So good. And you also, audience members, have sampling to take home with you today also. Well, thank you so much. Really nice, Jennifer. This is so good. Thank you. I now need a cup of tea. We'll be right back.